I'm Sam McCall from Mississippi, and I was fighting the crowds. I lost my hearties and the Russian army got me, mistook me for a goddamn crowd. They put me on a train to nowhere, an ungodly land. The red souls are beating and mistreating, the commies were screeching, cool yacht, cool yacht. I'm working in the commie camp, cool yacht, cool yacht. I'm working in the commie camp, you know my legs are feel like rubber. I haven't eaten in days, I'm just so busy here carrying and drudging, hurrying to the wet cold clay. I think that I'm about a rubber, but there ain't no chance. The commie foreman is yelling and screaming, cussing and steaming, cool yacht, cool yacht. I'm working in the commie camp, cool yacht, cool yacht. I'm working in the commie camp. But at night when I'm alone, I think of my Mississippi home and that Mississippi girl I left behind. I'm running down this pinko hell, drive right home to my Michelle, to my sweet anti-communist bride. Comics boy made us tripping out in the snow. He sees some sneakers and he's laughing and he's acting foreign as Kalashnikov. One day my buddy tried to skip him and bring in Uncle Sam. They brought him down, he got a whipping and a beating. The comics were screeching, oh yacht, oh yacht. I'm working in the comic camp, oh yacht, oh yacht. I'm working in the comic camp, oh yacht, oh yacht. I'm working in the comic camp. me, inventory bound to enemy. Restore your memories, cold as we be now. If there are pain in this, your is so we run away. Until you